I'm afraid the cat did not enjoy the shower that much. Here you go, my friend. I got you some healthy food.
Wow! Thank you, Mr. Hicks. I've been hankering for some non-fried food for years.
You're welcome, man. But I guess now you won't be needing that antacid, will you?
My pink bismuth? I don't know, Mr. Hicks. You know I suffer from long-standing stomach problems.
Well, that's why I'm offering you this delicious, healthy food.
And I appreciate it, but,
Come on, you know I always look after my peeps, and I never forget a favor.
Very well, Mr. Hicks. Keep my pink bismuth. But please, try to bring me some more fruit tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow you won't even remember having this conversation.
What?
Oh, I said I'll get you a fruit basket in your cell tomorrow.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Hicks. You're the best.
Perfect. One more ingredient I can cross off my list. So, how's everything around here?
Everything's going smoothly, Mr. Hicks. Now that Bruno is here with us, victory is ours.
Glad to hear that.
That trophy has our names on it, as long as there are no last-minute changes.
You mean it has my name on it?
We are a team, aren't we?
No.
Okay, man. Take it easy, huh? We're all friends here.
Well, on another note, you got any news? Anything you want to tell me? Come on. You know I like to stay informed when it comes to my prison.
Your prison?
Our prison, Bruno. There's enough room for both of us here.
Actually, there's not much to tell, Mr. Hicks. Honestly,
Don't lie to me, Norman. You know I don't like that.
Look, we're 100% focused on the contest. We haven't been paying much attention to anything else. I swear.
All right, then. I guess I'll have to believe you.
we would never lie to you, Mr. Hicks.
Well, carry on with your spitting. I'm out.
Bye, Mr. Hicks. Look, if you need anything from us, just ask.
Hey, what's on the burner?
The last guy who said something like that got crushed like a bug by a bunk.
And I believe you, but don't forget who I am. You see, I need some cooking oil, but I haven't seen any around the kitchen.
Have you been in my kitchen?
Relax, man. I didn't break anything. So, what's going on around here?
We're training for the spitting contest. What does it look like we're doing?
Sure. So, about that oil,
I gotta win that contest no matter what.
the contest is tomorrow?
Of course. What planet have you been on?
Oh, sorry. I haven't gotten around to reading my Spitting Sports newsletter. But if there's something I could do for you, just say so. And maybe in return I could borrow that cooking oil?
Hey, don't cross the line. I hope I don't have to say that again.
Easy, Bruno, easy.
And well, yes, there is one thing you could do for me. I need something to measure how far I spit. Each participant has to take his own tape measure to the contest. And I made my cellmate eat mine the other day.
See? We can help each other. I happen to have a tape measure right here. I thought it would never come in handy. So, problem solved. Now you just have to give me the,
You have a tape measure? That's fantastic.
Yeah, but...
Give it to me.
I wish I could tell you that Randy got the oil immediately after that. I wish I could tell you that. But prison is no fairy tale world.
So, can you give me the oil now?
No. Now comes phase 2.
What's phase 2?
That's the part where I open my heart to you and talk about my darkest fears and worries. Once we're done with that, one or two things can happen.
What things?
Either you laugh at me and I kill you, or you help me with the damn spitting contest.
Are you going all sentimental on me? Okay, I'm all ears.
You see, I guess you heard that I'm unbeatable when it comes to the noble art of spitting.
I might have heard a little something about that, yeah.
Let me tell you a secret, kid. I was good in the past. I was the best. But the years take their toll. And unfortunately, I'm not as good as I used to be. But if I'm honest, I'm not ready to give up my belt yet. Not just yet. And that's why I need your help. In return, I'll give you the key to the oil cupboard. Deal?
Okay, Bruno, deal. What do you want me to do?
I need 3 things to be as good as I was. Strength, wisdom, and luck.
Strength, wisdom, and luck? Don't take this the wrong way, Bruno, but this is starting to sound like a Dungeons and Dragons game.
That has nothing to do with it, so you better start taking things seriously, you hear me?
Fine, fine. Tell me about the strength.
You see, I'm not the mountain of a man I once was. I've lost a lot of strength, so I need someone to get me back in shape.
And that someone is me?
Exactly.
But my spit is hardly more than a dribble.
Kid, how long have you been in here?
Well, honestly, after so many space-time loops, I have no idea.
You got here yesterday, and you're like the boss already.
That's kinda debatable.
I can see it in your eyes, kid. You're gonna be my coach.
Alright, you know what? Let's do this.
Great. Just tell me when you're ready, and we'll start right away.
Okay, so tell me about that luck thing.
Since I was a kid, good luck has always been on my side. I've always considered myself a lucky guy.
You do remember where we are, right?
Shall I remind you that if you interrupt me again, you won't live to tell this tale?
Okay, go on.
I've always felt like this positive energy running through my veins.
Are we talking about hard drugs?
Hey, my patience has a limit.
Sorry. Boy.
A few weeks ago, a crow came to visit me.
Oh, that was probably just Jake.
No, it wasn't Jake.
I'm pretty sure it was Jake.
It wasn't Jake! The crow I saw had 3 eyes.
Uh-oh. Winter is coming.
Why the hell are you talking about the weather now? Shut the hell up and listen. I don't want to have to tell you again.
Fine.
Where was I? Oh, right. Since the day I saw that crow, my good luck has abandoned me. I keep burning the food. My portable TV broke, along with the springs in my bunk. So I need you to cook up a batch of extreme luck potion, so I can put an end to this nightmare. It's this concoction my grandma used to make when things started going wrong.
Fine, I'll do it. I'm actually very good at mixing stuff together. So, what do I need to brew up this elixir?
I don't know.
You don't know? Then how am I supposed to make it?
I thought you might come up with something. You know, you're the brains, and I'm the muscle. I thought we'd established that.
If you say so. So, what else can you tell me about your grandma's recipe?
It was a secret recipe.
You're not helping me here.
Come on, kid! I'm sure it's not that hard. You just need to get a load of different lucky charms together and make a potion with them. It's really simple.
What about a horseshoe? I remember seeing one of them around here somewhere.
See? Yeah! That's the spirit. Piece of cake, huh?
Well, I don't know how that magic potion is gonna taste, but... oh, what the hell. I'll give it a try.
You know what to do, kid. Look for some objects that bring good fortune and mix them up all together. By the way, I'm lactose intolerant.
Okay, so no extreme luck milkshakes then. What do you mean by wisdom?
Well, you know, wisdom.
Yeah, That's a little vague. What exactly do you mean?
Well, you see, some years ago, there was this guy that was a little, let's say, special. They ended up transferring him to the psychiatric wing because he was special.
So, what's the problem?
They transferred him back here this morning.
Oh, is he like dangerous or something? Should I be worried?
Not really. The guy used to be the best spitter I've ever seen, but he was automatically disqualified when they threw him in with the freak shows. But now he's back. And if you want to know the truth, I think that bastard can outspit me, even with the luck potion and all my training.
I see. Well, okay, but I think you might have the wrong idea about what wisdom means.
I don't think so.
Trust me, Bruno, it doesn't mean what you think.
Whatever. That Alan is a total prick. I just gotta beat him.
Wait a minute. Did you say Alan?
The very same. The living legend. I don't stand a chance against him. It's hopeless.
But Alan? The guy who has split personalities and wears a tutu?
That's right.
Now I get why he was sent to the psychiatric wing.
Well, they released him yesterday. So he's back again. He's gonna be in the contest. That damn bastard. I'm done.
Bruno. You're intimidated by a guy in a tutu? I feel a giggle spell coming.
I want that asshole out of the equation.
You mean you want me to eliminate Alan?
Well, you're the one who said that, not me. But, I wouldn't mind.
But why don't you just do it yourself? I mean, come on. You're the most feared prisoner in here. Just send him to the infirmary and problem solved.
It's not that easy. Everybody knows he's the only one who can beat me in the contest. If I make a move on him, I would be instantly disqualified. And I haven't spent the whole year training to be kicked out at the last minute.
All right. I'll see what I can do, but I'm not promising anything.
Hicks, I'm counting on you. Don't let me down.
I'll do my best.
That's the spirit.
I gotta go. Hey, a penny. Looks like that crow deserves to be in jail after all. That little bastard's a thief. Hey, what do we have here? A genuine four-leaf clover.